Get acquainted with the 2017 Toyota Yaris. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This streamlined, efficient Yaris is a talented multitasker. It's the subcompact that delivers an agile, silky ride, a multimedia system with Sirius XM satellite radio, a comfortable, roomy cabin with flexible seating configurations, and driver assistance safety technology. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: proximity key entry, keyless entry, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, leather steering wheel, traction control. You deserve a little inspiration on your daily commute. Feed your spirit when you drive the Yaris. We'll toss you the keys and you'll be smiling before you know it.